Welcome back to Billionaires Know How, the channel dedicated to dissecting the strategies and mindsets of the world's wealthiest individuals. Today, we're switching gears to the world of sports and business, focusing on LeBron James, the legendary basketball player who has not only dominated the court but has also built a remarkable business empire. We'll explore how he leveraged his athletic talent, built a powerful brand, and made smart investments to become a billionaire. And, most importantly, extract actionable lessons that you, the average person, can apply to your own life regardless of your profession. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on our next billionaire deconstruction. From Akron to global icon, James's early years and the power of potential. LeBron James's story is a modern-day fairy tale. Raised in challenging circumstances in Akron, Ohio, his extraordinary basketball talent became evident at a young age. He was heavily scouted in high school, appearing on the cover of Sports Illustrated as a high school junior with the headline, "The Chosen One." This early recognition brought immense pressure, but James consistently delivered, exceeding expectations on the court. Deciding to forego college, he entered the NBA draft in 2003 and was selected first overall by the Cleveland Cavaliers. This decision marked the beginning of his professional basketball career, but it was also the launchpad for his broader business ambitions. James recognized that his talent was just the foundation. Building a successful brand and making smart investments would be critical to achieving long-term financial security and influence. Key investments and strategic decisions. LeBron James's success extends far beyond the basketball court. Brand building. LeBron James understood the importance of building a strong personal brand. He carefully cultivated his image, partnering with reputable brands like Nike, McDonald's, and Coca-Cola. He also used social media effectively to connect with fans and control his narrative. Endorsement deals. James has secured lucrative endorsement deals with major corporations, making him one of the highest-paid athletes in the world. He strategically aligns himself with brands that share his values and resonate with his target audience. Spring Hill Company. James co-founded the Spring Hill Company, a media production company that creates content for film, television, and digital platforms. This venture allows him to control his own narrative and produce content that reflects his values and interests. LRMR, Marketing and Branding. Early in his career, James and his childhood friends established LRMR Marketing and Branding. This firm manages James' endorsements, marketing campaigns, and business ventures, ensuring he has a trusted team advising him on all aspects of his career. Investment in Blaze Pizza. A savvy investment was becoming an early investor in Blaze Pizza, a fast casual pizza chain. His initial investment has grown significantly as the company expanded, demonstrating his ability to identify promising business opportunities. Real estate portfolio. Like many wealthy individuals, James has invested in real estate, acquiring properties in various locations. This provides a diversified asset base and potential for long-term appreciation. Commitment to community. James has demonstrated a strong commitment to giving back to his community, particularly in Akron. He established the LeBron James Family Foundation, which provides educational and support programs for underprivileged children and families. He also opened the I Promise School in Akron, offering a unique and comprehensive educational experience for at-risk students. Replicating the blueprint. Lessons for the average person. While achieving LeBron James's level of athletic and business success is extraordinary, many of his principles are transferable. Identify your talents. What are you good at? What are you passionate about? Identifying and honing your talents is the first step to building a successful career and brand. Build a strong brand. Whether you're an athlete, an entrepreneur, or a professional, building a strong personal brand is essential. Define your values, communicate your message effectively, and create a consistent image across all platforms. Network strategically. Surround yourself with talented and supportive individuals. Build relationships with mentors, advisors, and peers who can help you achieve your goals. Seek financial literacy. Understand the basics of finance and investing. Learn how to manage your money effectively, save for the future, and make informed investment decisions. Diversify your income streams. Don't rely solely on one source of income. Explore opportunities to generate passive income, start a side business, or invest in assets that generate cash flow. Invest in yourself. Continuously invest in your education, skills, and personal development. Stay up to date on industry trends and technologies. Give back to your community. Find ways to make a positive impact on your community. Giving back is not only rewarding but also enhances your brand and builds goodwill. Protect your brand. Be mindful of your online presence and reputation. Avoid making controversial statements or engaging in activities that could damage your brand. Be patient and persistent. Building a successful career and brand takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged by setbacks. Stay focused on your goals and keep pushing forward. Seek wise counsel. Surround yourself with trusted advisors who can provide guidance and support. LeBron James's journey demonstrates that success is not solely determined by athletic talent, but also by strategic planning, brand building, and smart investments. While achieving his level of fame and fortune may be improbable, the principles he embodied are universally applicable to anyone seeking to build a successful career, brand, and financial future. By identifying your talents, building a strong brand, seeking financial literacy, diversifying your income streams, and giving back to your community, you can significantly increase your chances of achieving your goals. That's all for today's episode of Billionaires Know How. If you found these insights helpful, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future episodes, where we dissect the success stories of other influential figures and show you how you can implement them to become the best version of yourself. Keep learning, keep growing, and until next time, stay inspired.